Hey guys, it's Janice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and compact organization system. This is Google Keep. It's a free note-taking service from Google. As you can see, they're kind of like sticky notes. And this is Google Calendar. It's also free. I use this to mark deadlines, so exams are red, small assignments are pink, big assignments are green, special events are purple, work shifts are yellow if night, and blue if day. On the Google Calendar page, you can open Keep on the side using this icon. And then all the sticky notes that you've made in Keep will appear on the right side. It's organized vertically, and I'll show you how to rearrange them. So what is it really? Well, both of these apps are unrelated, but when you put them together, you get a brief, compact, but effective overview of your schedule and tasks. So technically it is a note-taking service, but what's great about it is that you can also add to-do lists on them. I've been making separate sticky notes for different categories like school, work, personal, and I place these next to the calendar so I can get a good overview of what my month will look like and what tasks and deadlines are looming. To create a to-do list, make a new note and then open it in Keep. You will then have the option to show checkboxes. Once that option is on, you can start writing down tasks. You can also indent tasks that are part of a bigger task. This window is also where you can customize the color of your note. To rearrange them, you can choose to pin the most important category to the top. For me, these are school things. I feel like it serves as a reminder for stuff that's coming in the very near future, like a don't miss this imminent deadline kind of note, even though it might be stated on your calendar already. When those things are done, I just check them off. Then you can hide the checked items. Also, you don't have to use it as a to-do list. You can just jot down quick notes that might be pertinent to the month you're viewing on Google Calendar. Another great thing about using Keep is that you can access them on your computer, phone, or tablet, and they sync seamlessly with each other. It's kind of like a mini or enhanced Google Docs. This way, you can just add tasks and things from your phone if you're on the go, and it'll be there whenever you open these apps on your computer or tablet. If you want to replicate this setup on the iPad, just pull up the Calendar app and then pull up the Keep app on the side into a split screen view. If you don't want too much overwhelming detail with your planning and calendars, then this system might be simple but comprehensive enough for you. So I hope that you guys found this video somewhat useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.